Ulit.
Okay na? Ngayon gagawa tayo ng Royal Bibingka. These are the ingredients. 2½ cup of rice flour, 4 teaspoon baking powder, ½ cup sugar, makapuno daw, puno, 4 egg, 5 tablespoon of butter, 2 cup of coconut milk, ½ cup of evaporated milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, grated cheese, and salted egg for topping. Make sure that you will use the rice flour, which is red, yung letters, hindi green, ha? I-pause mo muna. Pause. Add the coconut milk. And I will add the sugar. And ½ cup of evaporated milk. Then, eggs. 5 tablespoons of butter, baking powder, vanilla, and salt. Pasensya na. This is new to me. Just 1 cup of this. Okay, I'm gonna use 3/4 cup only of the coconut sport. This is really, really good. I use ½ cup in each. Okay, now I'm gonna put the salted egg. I have a preheated oven at 350 degrees and I'm gonna put it for 30 to 35 minutes. Ano na lang yun, hindi pa naka-anong oven eh. Pa mainit.
Sabihin mo kasi bagong pansin.
Liit lang pala nito. Okay, ilalagay ko na rin, ikuha na muna ng video.
Sabihin mo lang.
Okay. Doon, dyan ka lang. Masyadong pictures ko sa masyadong pakalat. Okay, the oven is ready.
Ulit, sige.
Okay. The oven is ready. I set it up at 180 degrees centigrade. Oh no, 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 degrees. For 30 to 35 minutes. Just open it. Open it. Okay, the moment of truth. Ito na ang ating Royal Bibingka. Okay, maglulod pa tayo ng second batch. Ito pambenta. That's the finished product. Okay, the moment of truth. Yan o, merong coconut.
Yan nga. Wow, Pilipinong-Pilipino ah.
How is it? Can you taste the
Sarap. Pilipinong-Pilipino po yung yog.
Can you taste the salted egg?
Yeah. Yeah, yung medyo malat-alat yung pang-ibabaw.
Not too sweet, right?
Tama lang.
Yeah.
Maganda po ito sa mga...
Successful.
Tama po ang kanyang alat na konti sa...
Because of the,
Yung pula, tsaka yung tamis niya, tama-tama lang po.
because of the, what do you call that? Very healthy. Because of the cheese. I put cheese on it as well.
Sarap.
And coconut sport. So, tama-tama lang, not too sweet. Alright.
11 out of 10.
Thank you. He's my #1 critic.